So welcome back to yet another video on the E92. So, heavily modified E92. Now this thing's running somewhere around 380 horsepower. It's the 335D, so it's got the compound turbo setup and supposedly hybrid turbos and whatnot. The owner's got no proof yet of the actual power, but it does go like hell. So, but it could go faster. There's a reason for that, and that's because it's leaking boost. Like a lot of turbocharged cars, it's done 158,000 miles, so it's not brand new, but it is strong. So, he's already fixed a few boost leaks. We're going to cover fixing another one of these boost leaks in this video, which is going to be the intercooler pipe. It goes from the intercooler to a turbo. That's currently sweating oil and leaking boost, and obviously leaking boost means leaking power. And who wants to leak power when you could have it all there ready to use? So, we've got here some genuine seals from BMW. Now this seal kit does actually both of the intercooler pipes there. We only need one side because the other side isn't leaking, and obviously don't fix what ain't broken, because the chances are if we disturb that one, it's going to have issues. So we'll leave that for now. In the future he's got them if he needs them. So, what we're looking at. We'll go into the car in a second, but we're looking at the red boost pipe that comes down at the bottom of the intercooler into a turbo. You can kind of see it through there maybe. It's a bit of a pain in the ass. So down there, it's currently quite oily. I did give it a little wash off earlier, but not much. Obviously, other common places to leak boost was all the charge piping, so that includes up to here. I know this has already been replaced because it was leaking as well prior. Vacuum lines all been done because they were leaking. Again, that's a simple, cheap, easy fix. That, not as, but not a bad fix. Double Jubilee clips just to stop it leaking. So yeah, this little boost pipe down there, it goes to this hard charge pipe. That's currently fine, so we're not going to touch that. We're going to do the pain in the ass one that goes to a turbo down here. So obviously you can't really do it from the top, so we need to get the car on the air. This car being stupidly low with side skirts means it takes half an hour to get it on the ramp. You're going to want to jack your car up or at least gain some nice access there. The higher the better, really. So let's crack on and see what's underneath this car then. So, underneath the car, this red pipe here is our offending article. Both sides have got these little clips here we can pry out with a screwdriver, and that will allow us to pull the pipe out both sides. Turns out this one, this side, is also leaking, so we'll best remove that and do the seals as well. So this side up the top there is Jubilee clip based. I actually say it's leaking. Is it? I think that's leaking down from above. I don't think we're leaking here. But this one is leaking, and it's got things covered everywhere over the years. So we're just going to pry it out a minute. There's one out, and the same sort of thing at the top, but the clip's above it. So I'll do it off camera a second. Right, here it is. It actually wasn't too hard in the end. So top clip comes right off. The bottom clip, sorry, comes right off. The top clip, prise it up and just let it sit on the metal housing, and that will then release the hose. So, I'm going to clean it up. On the outside here, we've got one of the green seals, and this one here's a female end, so we've got a black lip seal in the middle here. So we'll find the two matching seals in that set of seals, and we'll get them changed. So we'll do that now. So there we go, cleaned up a fair bit of brake cleaner sorted. So what we've got here is the green one is our external seal, so that goes on the male end of a charge pipe. Black one is our internal seal, goes on the female end, which goes to turbo. So here's the part number for the black one there, and there's the part number for the green one. Now these part numbers here are different. So these are the seals for the other side, which are basically the same sort of seals, basically, but different colours. So in case you need the seals for the other side, it's them two, but we don't need them at the minute. So it's quite simple. We'll pop the seals back on where the old ones were, and I'm going to put a slight smear of rubber grease on them. Rubber grease because it doesn't deteriorate the rubber, and it will just help ensure when we put it back together it doesn't pinch, because I'm going to clean the surface up, it doesn't pinch the seal and help to create a good seal. Obviously too much grease wouldn't be ideal, because they're meant to be a nice tight fit. So yeah, we'll do that in a moment, and then we're ready to put it back on. There we go, new seals fitted, a slight smear of red rubber grease, pipe cleaned off. So now it's just a case of popping it back, basically reverse of the installation, of the removal. So pop it back on, clip the clip back in, check it's sitting secure. So these tabs, we should be able to visually see them move down to these slots here once it's clipped in, and the other one at the front here, we'll just put the pin back in and you'll better see that from the bottom. So I'll do that a second. Now we have it, clip back in. That was actually a lot easier than I was expecting. It went in nicely, the seals went nicely. Yeah, it's not bad at all. So if this video has been any help to you, then feel free to like the video. It goes a long way into helping share it with other people and build my channel. Thank you very much for watching. Yeah, drop me a comment on what you think. That's actually a fairly easy task. Should make a world of difference in one, keeping the engine bay clean, and two, not losing precious power. So yeah, I've been Jordan. Drop me a like, drop me a comment, subscribe if you want more, and with any luck, I'll see you again next time. Cheers.